Hello friends, this is Christian Lu Vlogs and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a basket made out of dried loofah the loofah. Back in my country, the Philippines, in Cebuano, in my dialect, we call this sikwa. As we all know, we use this for taking a bath or bubble bath or something like that. In my dialect in Cebuano, we call this dried sikwa. Sikwa is a type of vegetable. So this is dried already. So instead of throwing it to the garbage, you can use it for something else, like making a basket. So now I'm going to show you how to make a basket made out of loofah. So of course we need this one, and for the base we need a paper like this, just for the pattern, which is I cut out already and into a circle. And we need a pen or pencil and a glue gun and a ruler. So these are all the materials that we need. And first, I forgot also the scissor. First thing to do is to cut the loofah in the middle like this. You have to cut it all the way to the other side, so you have to go through the middle, and you have to cut it everything what's inside. This part here, this is the part that we're not going to use. So we have to cut it out all the way here. The inside part of the loofah, it will look like it has something like this, but still we have to press it. We have to press the dried loofah. Just use any pressing material, like something like this. Then you have to do it like all the way. So you just have to keep on pressing until it will become thinner or flat. So now it's ready for cutting. So now we're going to cut out the parts of the basket. So first, we're gonna do a small circle, which is the bottom part of the basket. So just like so this will be the base or the bottom part of the basket. So second, we're gonna do the body of the basket. So we're going to cut out from here, and then or from the middle, like this part to this part, or it depends what's the length you like. So So now, since this is not enough for the body of the basket that we are making, so I'm gonna use this one for the other side. So we're gonna have to adjust the whole thing. So we're gonna cut from here a bit or here and just make them equal. So what you need to do is cut out a little bit from here and also here. So now just take one ruler and then make it as a guide to where you will do your cutting. So this two has to be equal. So we're gonna cut also from here. So what we need to do now is glue this one, the bottom part, to the body of our basket. So it will look something like this. So after we are able to glue the bottom part and the body of the basket, we gotta have to make this even. So we have to cut here a little. We're halfway to be finishing with our loofah basket. So here's the basket without the handle. We're gonna put the handle in a bit. For me, I don't really want it to look like perfect because I want to maintain or to have that natural look of the loofah, the dried loofah. So I think that is more nicer and more authentic. So now we're going to put the handle. Now I have already cut out the handle. So now we're going to glue it on our basket. There you have it, guys. Our loofah our basket made of loofah or dried sikwa. At least I've showed you that we can do something else out of loofah, not just for a material for scrubbing in our baths or in our bubble baths. So yeah, we can make it as a product, something like this, and who knows, we can make a business out of something like this, right? A basket made out of loofah. So what I'm going to do now is just put artificial flowers like this. So I'll arrange it here and I'll show you guys. So for arranging the artificial flowers inside, we're going to use the foam for the artificial flowers. We'll just put it here inside, and of course we're going to need a cutter and just arrange the flowers in the basket. So there you go, this is our finished product. Our basket made out of loofah or dried sikwa. In my native language, it's dried sikwa. It's a type of vegetable. So yeah, you can put artificial flowers or fresh flowers or even sweets like chocolates, candies inside, or cookies, biscuits, or even fruits like small fruits. So it depends really on your imagination. So thank you for watching, guys. This has been Christian Lou of Christian Lou Vlogs. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe. by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell button so that you will be notified if ever I upload new videos. So remember guys, we are all worthy of God's love, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.